Fornux Full Stack AI, from the low-level optimizations of AI algorithms to top-level innovative research, we're offering a source-to-source compiler making the targeted software impossible to crash or having any memory leak, an AI PowerShift, an AI algorithm speed-up tool by up to 10 times, written by Phil Bouchard, Chief Executive Officer of Fornux Incorporated. The team consists of Phil Bouchard, Chief Executive Officer, bringing 20 years of experience in the commercial IT sector, and Nicholas Hubert Roy, Chief Financial Officer, bringing his years of experience in the fiscal and accounting sectors. Regarding facts, the losses from the software failures in 2017 in the US cost $1.7 trillion, and software bugs being 90% of this problem. Fornux C++ superset outstands competing products with unique capabilities such as fixes cyclic memory leaks implicitly, works on all embedded devices, software or server to execute as fast as the original code. The performance using a regular compiler is at its fastest, or around 600,000 loops a second. The performance of the Java interpreter is clearly the worst, or around 51,000 loops a second. Finally, the performance of Fornux C++ superset is almost the same as a regular compiler, or around 580,000 loops a second. Overall, Fornux C++ superset creates an executable 2.3 and 11 times faster than Python and Java interpreter respectively, where both languages are the most used one in the world. On the other hand, when compiled with a regular compiler, we clearly see the memory leak draining the system memory. When interpreted by Java, the memory draining is still present, despite their quite unique, ineffective garbage collector which manages the memory. When compiled with Fornux C++ superset, we see the system memory remaining perfectly stable, just like the Python interpreter. Overall, Fornux C++ superset creates an executable requiring the same amount of memory as Python script, but will be twice faster, where Python is a key language for artificial intelligence. So here comes AI PowerShift, a brand new software built on top of Fornux C++ superset that can speed up AI algorithms written in Python for up to 10 times the original code and make them more secure before being deployed, because the executable is in binary format. As an example, we executed a basic loop algorithm in pure Python and measured its performance. We found out that the algorithm was executed at the rate of 960,000 cycles per second. After the same algorithm was transformed into C++ code using AI PowerShift and C++ superset, we found out that the algorithm was executed at the rate of 9,800,000 cycles per second, making it indeed 10.25 times faster. Our innovative approach on AI consists of connecting low-level modules together and extend their functionality to greater scales. In other words, we're covering artificial narrow intelligence, which is mainly deep learning, followed by artificial general intelligence consisting of cloning a human brain, followed by artificial superintelligence, which is mainly consisting of abstracting knowledge and upscaling it to an infinite level, and finally artificial collective intelligence, which consists mainly of emotional reaction and the capacity to communicate with other nodes. In other words, on top of the popular deep learning techniques, we're talking of adding vectorization and regressions of a sequence of images, trust and tolerance of supervised learning, basic shortest path algorithm to find answers in a neural network, imagination and hypothetical thinking to help abstracting and simplifying existing knowledge, curiosity, which will be the reason of living of our AI entity, Finally, we'll be adding the extra flavor, which will be consisting of balanced emotional reaction to have external interactions with coexisting nodes. The worldwide spending with the compound annual growth rate summarizes into the following: augmented and virtual reality, $18 billion, robotic system and drones, $128 billion, telecommunication services, $1.6 billion, artificial intelligence, $98 billion, and finally digital transformation, $2.3 trillion by 2023. In fact, by 2023, 52% of the worldwide industries will be digitally transformed. The targeted industries consist of aerospace, aeronautics, military land systems, cybersecurity, finance, healthcare, telecommunication, gaming, and so on. The pre-money valuation of Fornux goes up to $2.2 and $2.7 million based on the data from Ottawa, Canada. Visit us at www.fornux.com. Thank you.